I'm from Arachnist Networks here at SnapAv booth at Cedia 2017. We're very excited to showcase our products that we launched this year and what's coming up next in the Arachnist line. So first and foremost, we have our access point line. We're showcasing our outdoor access point, which is 700 3x3 AC outdoor access point, IP55 rated. It has launched last month with great success. We have the 700 indoor, which is also 3x3 AC. And we have the 500 indoor, which is 2x2 AC. Now, the new thing that we're launching for next year, which is our router line, we are showcasing the beta version of it. It's coming mid next year in 2018. We have a replacement model of the existing 300 router. It's a 310 router. We have two lower end models, a 110 and a 110 Wi-Fi, and a higher end 510 for gigabit internet. The entire line will have Oversea Pro Hub embedded, so that will save you a lot of cost and hassle on the job site. Now come to the switch line. We still have our 110, 210, and 310 line. 110 being unmanaged plus, it's unique in the marketplace. It's an unmanaged switch, but Oversea enabled. 210 has partial PoE functionality. 310 comes in PoE and non-PoE versions. All of them come in front or rear versions. All of them have 8, 16, 24 port. 210 and 310 have 48 port options. So very deep line. We're just highlighting the highlights here. What's new this year is that we have an extension on the 110 line, which is the compact series. So these are the structured wiring CAN designed 110 switches. They're powered by PoE and they have one PoE out at 15 watts. So this is an extension to the 110 line that we launched last month, and we showcase it here in our WirePath 1 CAN. So you can see there's a 5-port mounted on the door, powered by PoE injector. So it's really designed for the structured wiring CAN where the space is very, very special. So that's all from Arachnist Networks this year at Cedia 2017. Check us out next year and you can buy us at Staub.
My name is Emily Heichel and I'm the product manager for Dragonfly film screens, strong racks, and strong mounts as well. Okay, so we've been dropping down the, this is the 4K Ultra AcoustiWeave screen, so we've been dropping this down to show that when there is light directly on this type of screen, it's a little bit more washed out than the Ultra Black ALR screen. So we drop this one all the way down, and then you can see it's a little bit more washed out, and then we turn down the lights in the front and the image completely pops. So you can see the complete difference between the Ultra Black ALR and the Ultra AcoustiWeave screen in this demo.
Hey, I am Eric Fritz, and I'm the project manager for Episode Speakers, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about what's new at Episode this year at Cedia. As you can see here, we have our full line of commercial 70-volt amps and speaker solutions. And the cool thing about our new 70-volt amps is they're all IP controlled, which means they're available for remote management on Oversea, as well as a new web interface that includes input-output selection, audio routing, bass and treble, and other settings that are necessary to keep you from having to roll a truck every time your customer has an issue. As far as our 8-ohm residential market, we have new products coming later this year that include 60-inch passive soundbars. These 60-inch passive soundbars have new features that are going to be refreshed across our entire line, which include brushed aluminum finish, black back paneling, and an improved mounting feature for tilt angle control by our customers. Our active soundbar has been out for a few years now, but what we're really trying to highlight here is product development efforts in the future and how, as we IP control all of our devices, we're moving to e-audiocast and an autonomic product here that will be introduced next year that will include a streaming soundbar. As we move on down the line here, we have our new shallow mount speakers. These are designed specifically for MDUs or multi-dwelling units, apartment buildings where space is tight and you have a very limited depth in your ceiling for installs. The depth is 2.35 inches and it's got an integrated back can as well. We're also highlighting our entire subwoofer line here. We have our Evolution line, which is your tight and punchy and musical lineup of subwoofers. We've got our 6-inch and our 12-inch on show here. And then we have our Element 12-inch subwoofer, which is really built to bring as much boom as possible and shake the theater room as much as we can. We call the Best of Both Worlds our flagship model, and that's our Trip 10, which is available for listening over in the sound room. In an effort to continue to make our dealers' lives easier, we're answering a call that they have asked for this year as well and introducing black speaker grills on our entire lineup of products. Anytime they can buy a replacement episode grill in white today, we're also now offering them the opportunity to buy it in black. Moving down the line, the last plexiglass showcase that we have here showcases our Signature Series in-wall 8-inch speakers that launched earlier this year. It is the same great signature sound in a larger woofer than has been available to our customers so far. We're also showing off the construction of our 1300 and 1700 in-ceiling speakers as well. That's all. Thank you.
This is Kenny. I'm the product manager for Oversea. You're here at SnapAv Cedia 2017. This is the Oversea booth. We have a ton of stuff on Oversea, new enhancements that's coming next week, including updates to our Oversea Pro platform. Shows a lot of advanced feature sets within third-party devices. For example, with Control 4, you can see Zigbee and Z-Wave devices in that status right within Oversea. So go check it out. There's a lot of new things coming. Also, within Oversea Home, we're launching a beta program for like parental controls, content filtering, and wireless access management capabilities. So all these things will be included in a webinar 2 weeks from now. So join that for more information.
Hi, I'm Amanda D'Alessandri with SnapAv. This is Sunbright. This is our new Signature Series 75-inch and our Veranda 75 as well. We're coming out with those this year. They'll be coming out, shipping later this year, so November for the 75-inch Veranda and December, January for the Signature 75. They're a continuation of our current existing lines, so the 75% Veranda is 30% brighter than indoor TVs. The Signature 75 is going to have the same HD base T built in. It's a 700 nit TV. It's got a slight haze on the screen to keep it more anti-reflective for partial sun installations. The Veranda will continue to be our full shade installation television. And then we can move on to the episode speakers as well. So we have the episode all-weather speakers. They're the same episode speakers we've been using before, but they're easier to install. This is the new 8-inch size. It's in the same footprint as the old 6-inch subwoofer. So it's produces the same quality sound, but it's much more powerful. This is our new premium Sunbright soundbar. It's the medium size. It's designed for our Signature Series. You can use it with the Veranda as well, but you will need a separate amp. It's a 20-watt passive soundbar with titanium cones. Phenomenal sound on those. And we have a smaller version for the 43-inch size. And then also new this year is our all-weather outdoor Sunbright mounts. So we do have articulating, tilt, and flat mounts in medium, large, and extra large. And the articulating's in medium and large. This is our large version. They come mostly fully installable, so it's easy to put together. It's all the same things everyone loves about Snap already.